Hello, my wonderful friends. Here I am, OMA, and I heard that some of you or a lot of you are wondering how I feel in compared to last year, which you know by now how sick I was and how sadly I couldn't function properly. But with God's help and my angels' wings healing powers, I am back and I am feeling great. Happy to report to you that I have just a different outlook on life. Yes, it was sad, but I am just so thankful. I don't know if I will ever be able to do another little show, but you never know. I might just surprise you one of these days. And I thank you so much. I thank you with all my heart for thinking of me and still being in touch with me. Thank you. Love you.
And what special day is coming up?
Thanksgiving. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. There you, my 93rd birthday is coming up. Would you believe it? I can't believe it, but I'm sure happy to be around with my family, my darling children who are mean the world to me.
And how many more years are you going to live?
The nice thing would be if I would live at least another year, and then, believe it or not, I would have 3 children, seniors age. That is hard to even say it, never mind believe it.
How have you been handling COVID?
Oh, I just have to mention this sad and dreadful disease, COVID. I'm being very good. Don't have to worry about me in that department. I am not going out, only once in a while I have to, because I'm used to being out. Think I'm a very sociable person, but I am being good. I'm staying in, I'm wearing my mask, and hopefully, even if it takes a year, hopefully it'll be over someday and we can get back to normal, which will be so beautiful. It is hard. I have never gone through anything like this in my long years. But anyways, there is always a first time,
And what is the biggest reason on why you were so happy to be able to go out again? What was the first thing you did when you got to go out?
went to the hairdresser. I was when I was so cooped up and I couldn't do anything. Believe it or not, my wish was that my hairdresser would open up her place again. You know how I like to have my hair decent, and finally when she did, it was such a pleasure. In the meantime, my daughter, she was doing my hair, but I wouldn't like you to see me. And yet maybe it would be good to see me. But no. Anyways, everything is good. Everything is great. My son is doing this, as you know. He's filming me with his mask on, with a smiling face on it. Because these days, you never even know when you have your mask on. You don't know if a person is smiling or what. But so that mask is just wonderful. Take good care, and God be with you and bless you. Love you. Bye for now.